Hi boys and girls, welcome to another story with Miss Chrissy. I'm so happy to have you here today. So today's story is about a daddy. And this daddy does something that affects everybody in the house, even the pets. And maybe, just maybe, your daddy does this too. You want to find out what he does? Me too. But our story is going to be a little bit different today. I'm not going to read the story. We're going to have a special guest to read the story, and Miss Chrissy's going to get to listen with you. All right, are you ready to see what this daddy does? Me too. Here we go.
My Daddy Snores by Nancy H. Rothstein. Illustrated by Stephen Gilpin. When you hear this sound, it's time to turn the page. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed. So, she slept in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. So, Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished, and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee. So, Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loudly. Arroo! On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl. But even Daddy's bubbles snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. "No more snoring!" she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept, until started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I'd love more ice cream.
Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed our story today. But first, can you tell me, does your daddy snore? Let's keep that a secret. All right, thanks, friends. Friends, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.